Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a video that I made just on eyebrow tutorial. The products that I use will be listed in the video as I am using it so that it's easier for you guys to copy and try it out. As you can see, I am outlining the eyebrows the way I like it on my friend here using Spike by MAC Cosmetics. I like to shape the eyebrows as close as I can to the actual shape of the natural eyebrows. When shaping eyebrows, you may want to try to keep it as natural as you can and avoid drawing it either too thick or too thin. When you are done outlining the eyebrows, you would want to color it in, concentrating on the outer and center area only. Once you are done with that, using a clean angle brush, gently spread the colors around the eyebrows, keeping it light and natural at the inner corner and dark at the outer corner. Finish the look off with a concealer to clean the look up and help it look sharp and neat. To do this, I am using the concealer by Sephora in Coat Cream. When doing this, you want to make sure that both sides of the eyebrows matches each other as close as possible. Also, to blend the concealer out to avoid any visible harsh lines. So the key here is to keep blending. And there you go! The eyebrows are ready for the next step. Here is the complete look that I've done. You can check out the complete step-by-step guide on how I achieved this look in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates on my latest video.